Palladium against US dollar this week has risen in value, which was expected in the previous week analysis, and we can see the price started to rise on a Monday, where the price formed a bullish breakout above 974.95, and the price continued to the next resistance level around 1024. From here, we can see a strong bearish pin bar formed at this resistance level, where the price did not manage to return all the way back down, but the price continued to try again to make a bullish breakout, where the price formed this one attempt, but the price on a Friday has returned back down. The weekly time frame shows us currently a continuation of the bullish strength, where the price has continued to rise in value, and we can see a strong wick on the upper side. But on the monthly time frame, this looks like this: a continuation of this bullish engulfing candle, which is also a bullish breakout. So for the month, the first week has closed. We have 3 more weeks until this month closes, so everything's still open. But what is currently seen, the first target as a resistance level has been reached, and the next one will be around 1089. Now, for more detailed analysis, is the best to watch on the daily time frame, but we can see also the weekly time frame has the next resistance level around here, 1042, and after that around 1078. The daily time frame shows us that 1089 is the next resistance level, but we can see after the price makes a bullish breakout above this resistance level, the next target is already visible here, 1044, and above that we can see where the wicks are reaching. This price level is around 160. So these are the targets where the price could reach next week if the price manages to close above and form like this example, where we have a bullish breakout above this resistance level. Until that happens, we need to wait, and there is a less chance to see the price going down, at least what I can see. But there is always a probability that the price could do that, just to return all the way back down to the first support level, 974, and then returning back up. We'll see what happens next week. This is something that it is expected from my side, so we'll see what happens after the price makes a clean bullish or bearish breakout around this resistance and the support level. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.